Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Coating Equipment's YouTube channel. Herewith we introducing you immediate replacement for a gravity feed spray unit. We calling it as a immediate replacement since we introducing you here with the aluminum cup of 2 liter volume. So if you compare with the regular gravity feed gun, you can have a 4 cup volume inside this cup, this aluminum cup. Same as per the gravity feed cup, the position of this aluminum cup, you can hang it. Yes, you can hang this system in your paint booth with help of some rope or some rod. Why I am telling you to hang it? Since when the operator moves, the hoses which connecting this pot to the spray gun will move and it will generate a motion for this particular aluminum cup, and the inside paint material also receive that motion and it will be remain same as per our gravity cup. It will remain in a motion and the homogeneous mixture state of that particular paint will get maintained. So this as I introducing you this unit, here it's a aluminum cup 2 liter volume, hoses you can use up to 5 meter 6 meter as per your requirement, and then a pressure feed gun. So these are the 3 parts of this particular unit. Main benefit of using pressure feed gun is you can use a continuous paint for 2 liter. Also you can paint at a different angle. As you see here, no restriction of spillage of paint due to the gravity cup. When you are using a gravity cup, there is a restriction of having the spray angle since it is a cup motion. Also see the motions to the cup, aluminum cup, helps to maintain the homogenization of this particular paint, the mixture state of paint. So shade variation and other issue will not be there, and no need to have a agitated assembly here. So this is a very immediate replacement for a gravity feed gun, and if you are using and if you are refilling the cup 3-4 times for a particular job, it will be a very beneficial option for you. Also the operator fatigue get reduced due to the less weight on his hand. Also he can spray at a different angles. If you have any specific requirement in this, please contact us. Thank you.